Hey everybody, it's Ryan.
It's Kyle.
And break.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
In today's video, we are doing something a little bit different. We're going to start meal prepping, change up the way that we're eating. The reasoning behind some of this will come in another video, but hopefully you guys can find what we offer informative as well as useful. Obviously, healthy eating works differently for different people, so you'll have to find your niche and what works for you, because what works for us may not necessarily work for you, but hopefully with what we provide for you and the information we provide for you will help you, give you ideas on how.
Okay. So basically this video is going to be about meal prepping, and Kyle's going to be talking you through it as he's, doing the cooking and getting the meals put together.
Still fabulous food by KNR. So stick around, we'll get this ball rolling.
All right.
See you guys in a minute. All right, so this week, meal prepping chicken. So this was from earlier, but we have the packaged chicken, and to kind of keep things from becoming stale and monotonous as far as flavoring going, we have Moore's Honey Barbecue. We have that Georgia Peach grilling sauce, the chicky bam bam. Throw a little ranch on there, and then probably a couple with just some salt and pepper. First will be the chicken. We'll get it all cooked up, and then every day we're going to mix up different sides. We've got carrots and hummus, we've got cucumbers, we've got all kinds of different things we're going to add to it. Now with me, because of where I work, I don't really have a lot of accessibilities to heating things up, so we try to keep things to where I can eat it cold or hot. So all the sides and stuff will be things that could be eaten either way. So yeah, let's get this thing started, shall we? So we're going to use these paper plates to separate up the chicken with the different flavorings. First things first, always cleaning and dressing the chicken. Now also, you can cook these in so many different ways. I myself like these three. I think what we're going to do is we're going to salt and pepper these. We're going to keep these pretty simple. And I got the smoker going. You can also obviously pan sear them with some olive oil, which I might do with a few. You want to try to cut a lot of that fat off of there. Salt and pepper ones. This, the final one, is amazing. check on the smoker. See how it's doing. Well, we set the smoker at 250 like I always do. It's pretty much my standard on. Oh yeah. She's sitting at 245, so we'll start hauling the chickens out here and get them put on the smoker. Like I said, you can cook them in whatever way that you like. You could pan sear some of them, which is a debate. I might do that with a couple of them, just to get a different texture. Words are hard. Texture. Anyways, let me get these loaded up and we'll get back with you. Alright, so these first ones are going to be the ranch. Second one's going to be that more barbecue sauce. Looks like I'm only going to be able to get so many on here. These boobies were so big, but the final one is the Georgia Peach grilling sauce. Alright, let's check out this chicken. Whew, dang. See how things are going? Woo-hoo. So, we're going to start getting these cut up. Now what I've done is I'm going to cut them into strips. The reason for that is because on a couple of days we're going to do wraps with low carb tortillas. Alright, so we got all the chicken cooked. Now we're going to get our sides put together and get these meal preps for the week going. We picked up some roasted garlic hummus, some red pepper hummus, which will go good with our carrots. Also picked up some fresh mozzarella balls. I really like these. Ryan's not a fan. I've also got some celery where I'm going to put some peanut butter with it, and we picked up a cucumber, which we will take and put some dressing in there with everything as well. So let's start getting these put together and get ready for the week. And there you go. We now have a week's worth of, well, 5 business days of meal prep for this week. And don't forget, every once in a while you can do a cheat day. Just don't get crazy with it, as they always tell us. We hope this is helpful, gives you a few ideas of what you can do during the week. Just trying to get a little bit healthier, keep away from the fast food places. I work out and about, so this always keeps me on track and not fade off to McDonald's or fast food chain, I should say. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Appreciate your time. Love you guys. Deuces.